Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm excited to share with you Jan Hagel Cookies, a traditional Dutch cookie with a crisp, buttery base topped with sliced almonds and baked until golden. They are absolutely delicious and near and dear to my heart. I'll share a little more about that as we continue. Our cookie base starts by creaming together granulated sugar and unsalted butter at room temperature. Cream until soft and combined, scraping your bowl a couple times. And then we'll add 1 large egg yolk, reserving the egg white for later. Along with the egg yolk, we'll add 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. And then we'll simply beat it all together for about 30 seconds or so. Giving the bowl a scrape. Next, we'll add in all-purpose flour and mix until just combined. Again, scraping the bowl at least once. Next, we want to lightly butter a 10 by 15 inch baking tray. Dump the dough onto the prepared tray. And spread out evenly. I find using my fingers is fairly easy, but you can also use a small rolling pin if you have one that will fit in the tray. And what makes these cookies special to me is, yes, I'm half Dutch, but I didn't know I was Dutch until about 4.5 years ago, when I searched for and found my biological father. Since then, we have created many memories, and he's truly a gift in my life. So now these fantastic cookies are not only a favorite of mine, but I make them every year around Christmas time. We're going to whisk our reserved egg white with a tablespoon of water and brush evenly over the cookie base. And you do want to use the whole egg white. The egg white ensures that the almonds stick to the top. Sprinkle sliced almonds. Press lightly to adhere the almonds to the egg wash. And our final step is to sprinkle it with coarse sugar, also known as pearl sugar or decorator's sugar. This sugar is coarser and does not melt as easily as regular sugar. That way it retains its sparkly texture. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 22 minutes until golden around the edges. Score and cut the cookie while it is still warm. Allow to cool completely in the pan, and the cookie will firm up as it cools. And you can just see the pretty sparkle that sugar creates. Slightly crisp, buttery, hinted just slightly with almond and cinnamon, and not too sweet. They really are a lovely cookie. My favorite part is the crispy edges. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.